Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Starbucks Danish. First, you'll need to prepare your puff pastry dough. You can use a good quality store-bought option or make it from scratch if you're feeling ambitious. The key is to ensure it's well chilled before you begin. Once ready, roll out your dough into a rectangle, aiming for about 1/4 of an inch in thickness. This initial step sets the foundation for that perfect flaky texture we all love. Next up, let's create that irresistible cream cheese filling. In a bowl, combine 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Then, add 1 egg yolk and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Mix these ingredients together until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, with no lumps. This rich and tangy filling is what truly makes the Danish so delightful. Now it's time to assemble your Danish pastries. Take your rolled-out dough and cut it into 9 equal squares, each measuring approximately 4 inches by 4 inches. Place a generous spoonful of your prepared cream cheese filling right in the center of each square. Then, carefully fold the 4 corners of the dough towards the center, overlapping them slightly to create a small pocket for the filling. This technique helps hold the filling in place during baking. Finally, let's get these delicious Danish pastries baked and ready to enjoy. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the assembled Danish on a baking sheet and bake for about 15 minutes, or until they are golden brown and puffed. Once cooled, prepare a simple glaze using powdered sugar and a touch of milk. Drizzle this sweet glaze over each Danish for that classic Starbucks finish. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.